Okay, so welcome to this video, which is going to focus on company calling lists and how to make them and how to track it. So from our customer flow, we know that the company prospecting is the very first step. So what must we do to find the right type of companies that will fit the sub-products we want to aim for? So there's 3 steps in prospecting. The very first is identifying the company and the person to contact. The second step is to check Salesforce to see if this company has already been listed or been searched for. And the final step is to see if this company fits our global internship program. Do we have value for this company, and can this company benefit from us getting an intern? So let's start off with identifying companies and contacts. Where can we find companies? Well, there's various places to search, and the most obviously is Google. So if you search up simple terms like IT startup companies in Hamilton, we see a bunch of links. And there's definitely tons of businesses that are startups, and we can definitely find tons through this method. Another method using Google is to directly look at the jobs. So if we search for IT jobs in Hamilton, we see a bunch of websites that list jobs in the city. There are also other websites that approach these types of companies in a different manner. For example, AngelList. AngelList explains startups in the perspective of investors. So it gives a lot more detailed information about these companies and what they do. Another website is called Tech Vibes. It gives news about these companies related to IT and marketing and engineering, our subproducts, but it tends to have less companies in general. And the final resource is obviously LinkedIn. LinkedIn obviously has a ton of businesses, and sometimes you can really find quality content in there. So I've already gone ahead and found a fairly recent company by the name of Social Dawn. And by the looks of it, it seems pretty relevant to our thing. This company does marketing, and specifically it tracks the statistics for various social media like Facebook pages. So I think it could definitely fit in our subproduct of marketing. Now let's go back to the steps and check actual Salesforce to see if it's been done before. So if you go onto Salesforce, now I've already created accounts, but one very useful tool for tracking and seeing if past activity has been done is called data.com. Now to find data.com, you first need to add it. It'll be here in your tabs, and just customize my tabs, add it from the available tabs to your thing, and you'll have data.com. Now, all you have to do on data.com is just type in the company name. So the company is Social Dawn and the title, and then that's just it. See if it exists. So right now, no contacts. That's good. It's never been researched before. Let's take a look at accounts Social Dawn. Here we see that it seems like it possibly might have been done before, but it seems like the country was Spain. So it's very viable because we're in Canada, and that's definitely like it's completely different region. So I think it's perfectly fine. So now we have to actually find information about the company. And this is where you have to look closely on the website or the page you found the initial company at. If you look at the website, you can see that we can actually see some initial contacts. And for example, we see that the actual founder is Zahir Dodia. Now, does he actually have a number or anything? He doesn't actually have much info. So let's take a look at the other people as well. So this guy, Sarkosh, is another founder, and Adil is the third founder. And unfortunately, we don't find any contact information in any of this. But then again, we haven't looked deep enough yet. And as we can see, they do have an official website. So let's go visit their official website. And what do you know? Their number is right there. So that can be the number we can use to contact them. So let's go back to Salesforce and add this in to our contacts. So obviously you would create a new account, but I've already set up this example. So you just go and edit everything to basically add in all the necessary info. So the most important info is account manager. So whoever does the research, they're the ones who write down their account manager. Account name is obviously the name of the company, and all we know is the phone number. So that's it. Just click save. So what is the next step? Well, next step is creating a contact in the account, and I've already done that as well. But because we haven't actually got a specific number, we can just go ahead and list the contact to be one of the co-founders, and one of the co-founders goes by the name of Zahir. So let's just name him as the contact. Once we enter all the information we know, and we now have a contact in accounts, and this is now ready to be. Company is now ready to be called by the new sales team. And obviously the new sales, we have to record it for them in a spreadsheet. So we're gonna do that right now as well. So usually I like to have weekly spreadsheets, and the only main categories we really need is the company name, the subproduct, the contact name, contact phone number, and additional info. So the company name is obviously social now. Subproduct. The subproduct is marketing. Contact name. Contact name is Zahir. Double check it. Contact phone number is from the website. Just copy that down. And really, additional info is just a brief description of the company. So this company analyzes social media website. Fits well. And list like what specific field of the subproduct you think it would work best. And I think that the specific field would be obviously research, because this company does a lot of research for its customers. And after that, we officially have a company in our list, and you want to obviously aim for like a minimum number of companies. But after that, this is officially ready for cold calling and prospecting, trying to create that opportunity, basically. So I hope you enjoyed this video about how to search up companies and how to make an effective calling list. Because honestly, that is the very first step, and it is definitely crucial in our customer flow, from creating to delivering to finally showcase. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this series and watch the other ones as well. See ya.